Hey everybody, so we are heating up our smoked pork butt. It's Sunday, so I'm going to do an easy salad. I dumped the jar and the juice in here. I'm going to let it heat up, get some barbecue sauce, a roll. I have some salad in a bag. I don't know about you all, but getting fresh produce, good fresh produce, is not easy. Everything I've gotten has either rotted or was already bad at the store. So I have frozen and then I have the salad in a bag in there. So I'm going to let this heat up and then we'll come back and put together our 10-minute dinner. So this is why canning pays off. And if you're having trouble with groceries, buy some meat on sale, get it canned up if you're a canner, stock your freezer, and you'll be good to go and you won't be loaded up with sodium. We did that when I was sick. My husband was doing the food and I puffed up real bad from too much processed stuff, the sodium. So, not that I don't have the spams and all that, I have it, but I did learn you have to be careful. But we're doing what we gotta do, right? I have a feeling a lot of people are already eating their pantry items. So, I thought I'd start sharing how to cook that stuff. Oh, the neighbor's little girls out there hooting and hollering. Okay, so I'm gonna let this get hot. And then we will come back and do our sandwich and salad. Okay, so this is hot. I chunked up a tomato. I still have tomatoes from out in the yard. So I'll add that to the salad. Add some barbecue sauce. Then I have this roll, like a hoagie roll. Just gonna add our pork. And then you could add cheese, onion, coleslaw, whatever you want. So we have our sandwich. And I don't want all the inside to fall out. So to the tomato, I'm gonna add this. It's $2 at Aldi's. Salad. And this has cheese, little croutons, dressing. Stir it around. We have chopped salad. This bag has lettuce all over it. Oh, it's dried corn. So it has dried corn for your crunchy stuff. Put some of the cheese on there. See what he thinks about this corn on his salad. I have some bacon bits. bacon bits. And then whatever dressing you like, what came with it, or vinaigrette, or what have you. I see a net. And there's your 10-minute dinner. Really could be done in 5, however long it takes you to heat up your pulled pork in the jar and your salad, and voila. So cooking with your preps is easy. Don't stress about it. Use them just like you would your fresh meats that you cooked. Could have done that when we smoked the pork, but I had so much left I jarred it up. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Talk to us. Let me know what you're thinking about all this. We're going to get through it. It's okay. And I will see you all in the next video. Take care.